welcome to LCC Food. I am Lovely Jain. Today we are making vegetable momos. So let's start with the dough. So I am taking 1 cup of wheat flour. You can take maida if you want, or you can take half maida or half wheat flour, depends upon you. Then I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste, and we'll knead the dough with the warm water. So now our dough is almost ready. You have to knead the dough a little soft. You have to knead the dough soft like this. Now grease the dough with oil and cover it with damp cloth and rest it for half an hour. Till the time our dough is resting, we'll make the filling for the momos. We'll take 1 tablespoon of oil. This is vegetable oil. If you want, you can take sesame oil. We'll take 1 tablespoon of garlic. We'll saute the garlic till it becomes little pink. So now our garlic has turned little pink. We'll add 1 tablespoon of green chili, 1 teaspoon of ginger, finely chopped, and we'll stir for 2 minutes. Now we are adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions. You have to keep the flame high because we need the veggies to be crunchy. Now you have to add 1 cup of veggies. I have taken finely chopped carrot, cabbage, capsicum. Keep stirring this on a high flame. Now we'll put salt to taste, half teaspoon of soya sauce. We have to turn the gas off. Now add 1/4 cup of paneer to it. You can add cheese also if you want. And finally, the green part of the spring onions. Now our filling is ready. We'll take this off from the gas and we'll let it cool it completely. So by the time our filling gets cooled down, let's start with the momo chutney. For that we need 2 Kashmiri mirchi, 1 medium sized tomato and some water. You have to boil this and blanch it. You can even do it on the gas. I'm putting this into the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. So for the momo chutneys, we've already blanched the tomato and Kashmiri mirchi. We'll remove the skin of the tomato and put it in the mixture. We'll put all the masalas and churn it. We'll put 3 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, some sugar, some black pepper powder, and half teaspoon of ketchup. We'll blend it in the mixture and make it a fine paste. Now the momo chutney is ready and we'll remove it in a bowl. Garnish with some spring onions and serve it with momos. So now our dough has rested for 30 minutes and our filling is also cooled down. So let's start making the momos. We'll dust some dry flour and roll out a thin roti. So we've rolled out our roti. You have to make a very thin roti. And now we'll cut the roti into small circles. I have taken a bowl. You can take a cookie cutter if you have. Now that we've cut the rotis into circles, we'll put the filling inside. About half tablespoon of filling. Put some water on the edges. Seal the edges and join both edges. Now by giving a second shape, you can give any shape you want. Apply water on all the sides and hold it. Momos are ready. We'll steam it for 10 minutes. If you don't have cabbage leaves, you can just grease the plate and you can keep your momos. And now steam it for 10 to 12 minutes and your momos will be ready. Now our momos are ready. It's hot and let's serve it. I hope you've enjoyed our recipe. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.